Good morning, Shadow Twerkers. It's Thais Simone.
And Anna Maria.
And we're back with another video. So this video is going to be a daily reading for January 16th, 2022. Cool.
Please give me some messages for January 16th, 2022 for the collective spirit. January 16th, 2022 for the collective.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm trying to fight off the feeling of being blah. Listen to the live. Alright, so let's see what messages Spirit has for us today. Eight of Pentacles reversed.
Eight of Cups reversed.
Oh, Eight of Cups.
The Ten of Swords reversed.
Five of Cups reversed.
The Ten of Wands.
Strength.
Lord knows I need it. Nine of Pentacles in reverse.
With the King of Wands.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to the live.
The Lovers in reverse.
The Queen of Cups. I'm honestly not sure. So, the Eight of Cups. Let me get the book. Okay. Here, the Eight of Cups is reversed. Seeking without a direction, unwilling to visit uncomfortable spaces, feeling lost and stuck in old patterns. The Five of Cups reversed.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. With the Eight of Cups, let me read both, just so that I know.
What is the affirmation?
For the Eight of Cups, I seek answers to life's big questions. Upright is turning your back on what is known, embarking on a journey, a quest, return to nature and listen to her wisdom. In reverse, seeking without direction, unwilling to visit uncomfortable spaces, feeling lost and stuck in old patterns. The Five of Cups, I am inconsolable. In upright, hope is not gone. Allow yourself to grieve fully and deeply and work through it. In reversed, move forward from what was lost. Use grief as a force for good. Feelings of deep compassion and empathy.
Okay.
So sad reading.
I'm feeling like, okay, from what we have so far, this is how I feel. I feel like someone or a group of people feel like they are repeating a cycle by reaching out to a connection from the past that kind of had them in this Ten of Wands energy or this Five of Cups reversed energy, and I feel like they have to reach out to this person for maybe to say something, or maybe to ask for help, or to ask for something. And in them feeling like they're repeating a pattern or going backwards, they feel like they're in the Nine of Pentacles energy, because that's not really independent energy, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like
I feel like going back would be the burden, would be the stuck in the pattern, would be the, like, because I just feel like you're not really supposed to go back to anything unless you're, like, apologizing, or unless you're, you know, like, reconciling or something. But it's like, even in reconciliation, I feel like you have to face the shit that happened, because it's literally, it's a trauma. It's, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's hard.
But maybe in reaching out, like, this will be flipped back upright. You know what I'm saying? And, like, I don't know. Maybe you definitely have to set some firm boundaries if you're reconciling with this person.
Nine of Pentacles, I am in charge of my destiny. And reversed, feelings of self-doubt and unrealized potential. Life does not meet your expectations, feeling like a fraud or not good enough. Ten of Swords, I must evolve. End a way of thinking, breaking free from the person you once were. Release things which no longer serve you, choosing responsibility and reclaiming your power. And reversed, keep fighting, don't let go, blaming others, hanging on to what is known. Yeah, that's why I'm like, I don't feel like reaching out is the best move, because even in that card, he's like reaching out for somebody that's like dying. But then, like, it goes back and forth in my head, because even with the, like, the touch, it's like this person has, like, a last little bit of life, but how do we know that that's not about to fade? You know what I'm saying? Like, how do we know that our touch will bring this person back to life, and vice versa? Like, how do they know that, like, if you are the one that's in pain, or, like, you know what I'm saying, hurting, how do they know that this will really solve the problem? You know what I'm saying? Whatever the problem is that you would even need help for. Queen of Cups, I am a conduit for powerful love. Open to sensuality, seeker of desires and potent pleasures, rich empathy, creativity, and understanding. In reverse, emotional overwhelm, dragging you down, feeling easily distracted, revisiting bitter, sweet memories, which require deeper insight to uncover the source. So I feel like seeker of desires and potent pleasures. I feel like if there are two parties with the King of Wands and then the Queen of Cups, I feel like the Queen of Cups is in this energy, obviously, that they feel inconsolable. They don't feel like they're good enough. They don't feel like they can do it on their own, but they are, you know, like, they are in tune with their emotions. They are trying to do the right thing. They are, like, you know what I'm saying? They are, I feel like, a creatively driven person. And then on the other hand, with the King of Wands, the Ten of Wands, and the Eight of Cups reversed, I feel like the King may feel like it's a burden, or like this person is a burden, or like this person, like, can't get it together. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's them or this person, like, but I feel like it's this person, because this person is the one that's grieving, essentially. Like, they're deep in their feelings with the Queen of Cups, even though they're upright, but they still feel inconsolable. So it's like, on the outside you may feel like you have it together, but on the inside you feel like you're not good enough. You feel like you're not doing something. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it takes strength on both parts to even see and acknowledge that. I feel like it takes strength for the Queen to to look at herself and to look at the king and be like, well, damn, this person really kind of sees me as a burden. You know what I'm saying? And then on the other hand, like, I see myself as a burden too, because it's like we mirror each other. You know what I'm saying? And whatever people, like, I can't even say whatever people think is a reflection of our thoughts, because that's not always true. But I don't feel like reaching out is the best move. I feel like it's a band-aid to the big problem. But then we have to determine what that big problem is. And I feel like it's different for everybody. The Lovers, I'm the gateway to divine love. Seek connection with others, upright, blending opposing ideas into one. Make a choice, accept yourself as you are. Give and receive freely. And reversed, communication breakdown, distrust of others, feeling alone and hurt. Reassess your relationship with the opposite sex. So I'm like, it could really go either way. I feel like you're right, and I feel like I'm right.
Same.
So I really feel like it depends on the individual situation. You can shuffle it. Wow, look at big butt.
Girl, that is bossy.
Oh, well, bossy. No, you're big butt.
Which one are you trying to clarify?
All of them, for real.
Well, I'm gonna go for the King of Wands. Spirit, why is the King of Wands here? Why is the King of Wands here? Hey,
Loud. Sir, I know you see us in the middle of everything. What you mean, no? Oh my God.
King of Wands, Spirit.
Ace of Swords. So maybe the King of Wands has a new idea or a new thought about the situation. Maybe. Or maybe they want to reach out and communicate.
Damn, that's reminding me of... Oh my...
What?
No.
Sir. Get your ass out the camera, sir. You want to sit with me? You can sit right here. You can... Okay, you don't want to sit. Okay, well, can you... Oh, bless you.
Oh, God.
The Lovers.
Why did it smell on me? Oh.
Bless you.
Bless you. Oh, damn.
God damn. Bless you. So, what is this? The Emperor? Bless you. I feel like nobody's moving. First of all, because a lot of wands. And I feel like, yeah, and the only ones that are upright are the 10 of Wands. The 10 of Wands came out twice. What is the 9? Okay, excuse me, it's the 9. So I feel like this person is defensive. I feel like they're losing control. I feel like they're stuck in their finances or the things that make them single independent. And yeah, like I feel like they're defensive, like they're on their last leg. I feel like both parties are in the hangman energy, like not knowing whether or not to reach out, or, you know, whether or not to help, whether or not to ask for help, whether or not to seek help. I feel like this the two lions just kind of reminds me of two paths too, but then it's like I feel like this party is reaching out to this King of Wands. The Queen of Cups is reaching out to the King of Wands, with him kind of looking that way. I do feel like the King of Wands will communicate, but I don't know if it's going to be a successful communication. And then the Three of Wands is like, the Three of Wands makes me feel like the King is coming to the Queen. Or maybe it's mutual, like they come to each other. I'm not sure. What do you think? I honestly want to say fuck this reading and start over, because
We can do another one. I'd honestly like to do that after we get through with this one.
okay, what do you think about this one?
I definitely think that the King of Wands has some new form of communication, or they're reaching out.
Lau, stop being a dick. I know you're doing this on purpose. You don't be wanting our attention no other time but when we working.
Could be successful or not. I don't know. I really don't know, except for what I've said already.
That's why I'm like, it could go either way. I feel like both parties are stuck. Like, or maybe like there's no way for either party to kind of get to each other. Or maybe they're at like a super distance from each other.
Mm-hmm.
And what I do know is one side is getting out of control. One side is more stable but burdened. And I don't really know what they're burdened by.
That burden could be guilt.
That's what I was about to say. I don't really know what they're burdened by. It's definitely some emotion. But okay, let's just get Moon card. This reading. Nothing is set in stone. So it could really go either way. This wasn't even helpful. Or was it? Nothing is set in stone.
A fiery climax approaches. Full moon in Aries.
I mean, it is a lot of fucking wands. And fire energy, but none of it is moving.
Let's do another one.
Yeah, man, fuck this reading. I'm gonna restart the live. Alright, we'll be right back.